This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the Euro Australian dollar. In our discussion and analysis this weekend, looking at this coming week, we see the Australian dollar potentially showing signs of a reversal as the yen trade moves from strength into consolidation. We expect the same thing to happen Australian dollar toward a reversal potentially, especially against the euro and the British pound. Now, we've had a significant move higher, British pound, Australian dollar today, and another move higher as far as the euro is concerned against the Australian dollar. Right now, we have a short in play, euro Australian dollar. We're short at the 160.23 even area, and we have a price target on this 1 minute chart here at 160.16, short from 160.23. We are at the top of this move, so this is a higher risk type of trade. We're at the very top of a fairly strong uptrend throughout the day. More importantly, we're at the top of an awesome bullish trend, euro Australian dollar, for a long period of time on this daily chart. This has some of the best trend metrics as far as a bullish trend that's available in the foreign exchange market. So you can see where we are there, right at that top. We've come off just a little bit from our entry. Again, we have a target there at 160.16. This is a 1 minute. Take a look at what we look like on a 3 minute. So you can see on this 3 minute, not quite a diamond reversal, but a similar price action. So we always sort of caution that way until we see something significant change. That's where momentum really comes in to help, determine that. When you're looking here, you have the same type of diamond price action here, diamond price action here. And when you see that, you can look at where your momentum variables are, where those metrics are, and we see where we are on price action, and we show the potential of a move down on that 3 minute. Hourly chart, we don't have any indication. Anytime that happens, we look at a daily chart. Is there anything happening there other than this is a strong trade to the upside? No. So we go down to our 1 hour chart. We're near the top of this move. Anything on that 1 hour chart? No. We have a new high. There's not any candle patterns there. Something close to a diamond reversal type of price action here, but it's not a true diamond. But we keep that in mind when we see that, because we can look at where momentum was. You see how momentum was coming in at the top of that trade, and it created that diamond-like price action, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a short position. We go down to our 3 minute. Do we see anything on this 3 minute? Not really in the way of a pattern. We do have momentum that peaked. Our price action's actually fairly weak. There's not much range in this trade, so at the top, we have the potential of a low-risk opportunity to get in on a move to the downside, and so that's what we look for. No price action patterns there. We just have momentum coming off a little bit. So we go down to our 1 minute chart. Do we have anything on this trade that might signal a reversal? We do. The very top peak up to this 160.25, we have a diamond reversal, one of the most perfect types of diamonds that you can actually find. On a chart, let me mark that very quickly. You can take a look at it. You can see that inside, outside, inside on that euro Australian dollar 1 minute chart showing a move to the downside, and that's what we're playing there. We're looking for a move down to that 160.16 area. We're going to keep an eye on this trade here for the next 30 minutes and see how that develops as far as a potential short off of this at the peak top of this move so far today. Take a quick look before I close up this video at the British pound Australian dollar trade for the day. Look at it on an hourly. Once again, you can see how strong that move is. We've come off a little bit. We don't show anything there significant other than the potential of this price action reversal right